Hello friends, today we are going to learn an interesting topic, sorting. What is sorting? Sorting means arranging your data in a particular order. A to Z alphabetical, Z to A reverse alphabetical, smallest to largest, largest to smallest, oldest to newest, newest to oldest. Let's understand this by taking small data table which consists of student name, class, fee paid, admission date. Now, we'll perform some tasks in this table. I want to sort name alphabetically, that is from A to Z. So, simply first select the entire table, go to data, click sort. A small window will open showing column sort on order. Now, I want to sort by student name. Now you see your entire table headers are available here. Student name, class, fee paid, admission data. Now click student name, go to A to Z sort and click OK. Now you can see your data is sorted alphabetically from A to Z. Now second, I want to find largest to smallest based on fees paid. Select the data, go to again sort, choose the column fee paid. Now here smallest to largest is there. I want to sort by largest to smallest. Select and give OK. Now you see all my data are sorted based on largest to smallest. Now next I want to sort date, admission date. Select the data. Again go to sort. Here you have to select the column admission date. Now it is there newest to oldest. I want to sort by oldest to newest. Select and give OK. Now your data is sorted oldest to newest. Now I want to sort class, that is LKG first, then nursery, then UKG. Now select the entire data table, go to sort, choose your column, class, order, select A to Z, click OK. Now you see LKG comes first, other nursery, then UKG. Thank you.